Amid the sporadic incidents of violence that took place in Manipur, a 5-member Supreme Court judges delegation has reached the state of Manipur. The judges delegation is being led by Justice B.R. Gavai. Members of the delegation are visiting the relief camps and they are assessing the ongoing humanitarian crisis in Manipur. In May 2023, violence erupted in Manipur after there was a march that was being done by a certain section of the tribals. In this violence, over 200 people lost their lives and hundreds were injured. Thousands were displaced during the 2023 violence. Images that you are seeing on your screens coming in from Imphal. This is a delegation of Supreme Court judges who are on the ground assessing the situation and looking at the ongoing humanitarian aid that is being given. My colleague Nalini is now joining me on the story. Nalini, we can very clearly see that the judges delegation led by Justice B.R. Gavai, all of them are on the ground. They are visiting the relief camps and the delegation is also assessing the ongoing humanitarian crisis.
Yes, well, Aishwarya, we're reporting right from Churachandpur right now in Manipur, which is the Kuki-dominated area where the judges have just visited the relief camp. They have just left 2 minutes back from here to now move towards Bishnupur, where they're also going to be visiting the relief camps. It's interesting to see how the things have panned out over the course of the past 2 days when all the arrangements have been made here at Churachandpur for the arrival of the judges. In fact, there is a large amount of security team of different forces that has been deployed here, including the CRPF, the BSF, the Assam Police, the Indian Army. They're all present here in Churachandpur to ensure that there are no safety concerns during the visit of the Supreme Court judges. The judges are also accompanied by the Manipur High Court Chief Justice and another lady judge. Justice N. Koteswar Singh of the Supreme Court was also supposed to be part of this delegation, but considering the fact that he is a Meitei from Manipur and the area where the event is happening is dominated by the Kuki tribe, he was advised, and there was even a statement issued by the Bar Association in Churachandpur asking him to not visit to ensure that there are no security concerns with the Meitei visiting a Kuki-dominated region. Just to get your update of what's happening in Manipur, even though the buffer zone between the Kuki region and the Meitei districts has been opened, but there is no transport or movement of people from one region to the other. There are several checkposts between the two regions to ensure there is no untoward incident that's happening in the place. But at the same time, the judges, all the security measures have also been put in place for them. Once they visit the relief camps in Bishnupur, after that they will be retiring for the evening, and tomorrow they'll be attending a function of the Manipur High Court. Even here in Churachandpur, we saw them meet the internally displaced persons, hand over several relief materials to them, and even take stock of the situation of the relief camp. Most important statement coming in, Aishwarya, really quickly, is Justice B.R. Gavai has promised the internally displaced persons here at Manipur that peace will soon return to Manipur, and that the judiciary, executive and legislature are working together to ensure that.
Thank you, Nalini, my colleague who's on the ground and also saying that very soon we will see a statement also coming in. Peace will return. This is what the delegation of the judges who are on the ground have to say with regards to the violence that rocked Manipur.